Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you something that Onedaysaving sent me. So if you do not know the company Onedaysaving, they specialize in diamond art, cross stitch. They also have paint by number and they are incredible. They have a link that you push where everything's under $4 and they always have new sales. I'm looking at my iPad. I might as well kind of show you, but here's like some of the things that they have right now. The website goes on and on and on, by the way, on and on and on. There's so much here. It's so hard to choose. Now the company did send this over free for review to show you. So let me show you a couple that this company has already sent me that I have completed. So this was one of them. It's very pretty. If I was near a window, you can kind of see it sparkle and shine. I don't know if you can really see it sparkle and shine from where you're, with the camera and all. But it also came with a light. You see these little tiny holes here in the back? Let me see if you can see them. This one here, and it has one over here. It has one, I think, down right here. Anyway, there's a light like that you put in all of those little holes, and then it lights up the whole house, the whole little bird house. And it's kind of like for Christmas. I keep it out, the lights out of it when it's not Christmas because, I think adding the lights is more Christmassy. But I love this. So this one is completed. This is one of their projects. They do have DIY, do-it-yourself projects where they're not, canvas. These are the kind of things that I really like. So that's one of them that I completed. I completed a lot with them. They have sent me quite a number of things that I selected, by the way. And here is another thing that I got from them. It is a welcome sign. I completed this. This came with several different little magnet things here. Let me see if I can even get this one off at this point. I've had this one on for a long time. It's a magnet, and you can take it off and put a different magnet there, take it off, put a different magnet, per season. So I have my little sun on there for summertime. They also have, Santa Claus for winter, and reindeers and leprechauns for, St. Patrick's Day. I mean, they have all sorts of different things here to put on there. And I don't know why. It's been on there and it's kind of been in the sun. I might have a little bit of a problem taking it off. But even if I do, I can put a new magnet on there. That is no problem. I think it's just because it's been on for so long. But it's like a sticky thing here. And you just take this and it's like a magnet and you stick it back on there. And, obviously you even it out. But this is one that they sent me. I love this one. Just a little welcome sign. It really looks pretty when it's in my window. So again, beautiful. So those are two, like I said, that I've done already. Now let me show you what I picked out for this time. Here's the first thing that I chose, and what it is, it's a diamond painting pen, and it is unique in that let me get the trash out there. Okay, it is unique in that it has the wax already in it, to where you don't have to, if you know anything about diamond painting, you actually have to dip this in, not dip it, but there's usually some wax that comes with it. In fact, I'll show you with my diamond painting kit that I ordered from them. But you put it on there and then you stick the beads, where they go on the canvas or on the project. And with this one, it already comes with the adhesive. All you do is you turn this and the adhesive is in there already. So you don't have to dip this into the adhesive and then dip it into the, you know, to get your drills. I keep wanting to say beads, but they're called drills. So, but it's really, I love these. This is really great. I'm not too sure what this piece is for. I'm gonna have to look that up. It might have been just to hold it in place in the container, which is what I'm thinking it's for. So I'm sure that's what it's for, right? Every time I say I'm sure about something, I'm wrong. All right, but that's the pen that I got. Love it. And of course I chose the color pink. All right, the next thing that I selected was this little heart-shaped item here. Let me show you what this is. So when you have your little drill bits, you need to put them in some sort of a tray in order to pick them up. And here it is. Here's the tray. And it's got the little, it's textured here, so when you put your drills in there, they will not be in a big pile. They'll be separated. And I wanted one of these. Love it. Okay, next item that I selected is the actual diamond painting kit for this time. So it came all wrapped up like this. It comes with everything I need. It comes with all the drills. I think those are called drills. I don't remember. I call them beads, but it comes with all the beads, everything I need. Let me show you. This is so cool. So first I'll show you what I got. They are little butterflies. Looks like they're two-sided. Yeah, they're two-sided butterflies. Whole bunch of them. I don't know how many. 1, 2. They're different colors. So it's not all the same thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like, I don't know, maybe 8. But anyway, they are so pretty. They are all unique, and you won't believe what these are, you guys. Well, maybe you will. If you might already know. For all I know, they are little keychains. Let me get this part out. Where's the chains? Here they are. So it all comes like, you know, with a whole bunch of like little keychains and this part that you put around it. So guess what they are for me? They're gonna go on my handbags, maybe 1 or 2 every now and then. Very pretty. So it all comes packaged like this. And here is the kind of pen I was talking about that you have to dip into this, which is the adhesive, the wax, whatever you want to call it. But I don't need this anymore because I have my special pen. So I'm very excited about this. I will leave their link in my description box, along with any discount codes they may have given me to, I don't want to make all sorts of noise, along with any other discount codes they may have given me to give to you. And please check them out. I love the company. I love what they, you know, the products they have. You know, they have bookmarks. They have, you know, greeting cards. And I'm looking at their website right now. They have tote bags and coasters. They have alphabet letters. They're, you know, they have, you know, the things that I kind of showed you there. They have wall clocks. They also have the regular diamond paintings as well. The ones that are like on a canvas material. So, and cross stitch and paint by number. I had gotten cross stitch before, you guys, and I still have them. I cannot even figure out how to thread the needle. I cannot get past step 1. I've actually looked online. I've looked on YouTube, and they all show how to cross stitch, but not one of them starts from step 1. They skip that part altogether. I don't sew, so I don't even understand how to get it. You know, yeah, my brain does not work that way at all. Diamond painting is where I will stay. So everyone, please like, please subscribe, please check out their website, and thank you all for coming. Have a great, great day. Bye.